To all the book lovers around Sabi and its surroundings, catch Impumelelo Educational Trust on their upcoming book review event that is going to be taking place on the 22nd of October, this coming Friday. We normally see these events taking place in other areas of the country, but this time is happening right here. Be sure to go and support as the event will be hosted by yours truly. There are two books that will be reviewed at the event. They are both written by our awesome author, Mr. Cebisa Shobede. Book number 1 is called An Attempt to Overcome Challenges, and then book number 2 is called Unlimited Possibilities with God. Be sure to read the books and also prepare some questions in order to participate in the Q&A session. Make sure you also come prepared, as the books will be sold at the event as well. At only 200 bucks, you will guarantee yourself a copy of one of the books. Otherwise, my name is Zanele Malandule. I'm commonly known as Z, and I am from 1260 Vibes. Otherwise, I will see all of your pretty faces on the 22nd of October. Impumelelo Educational Trust, Shosholoza. Check out the poster if you really want to know where the event is taking place and what time. Kisses.